So today we are going to talk about link prediction. And whoever are working in the field of graph theory or whoever are interested in research related to graphs, they must have come across this particular term because this particular term belongs to number of research papers, number of research domains which are related to kind of graph research, because there are multiple subdomains within each domain. So that's why whenever you are going for a specific kind of research, always you need to find out first that which particular domain you are specialized to. So if we are saying that link prediction is the kind of interest, means though it's a kind of a general category, because in particular it is related to different variety of fields. But still, whenever you are coming to the graphs related things, or whenever you are making some sorts of graphs, then this particular term will come into the picture. And then you need to have a specific task, where you want to do some sort of graph analysis or the kind of network analysis. And you want to have a kind of prediction of the kind of missing connections or what sort of future connections might come. Then link prediction analysis comes into picture. So if we say that what this particular thing is, then the simple thing is, as I told you, that it is just the prediction of the missing or the future possible links among the nodes in a particular graph. Additionally, when you want to find a particular observed network, and in that particular network, your particular goal is to have a kind of prediction that what is the most likelihood to have a particular link prediction in the coming future, or what is the least optimal link for a particular kind of communication between two particular nodes, and all the relevant analysis. Then you can go for link prediction sort of analysis. So let's start with a particular general definition of link prediction, and then we'll go into the kind of details step by step. So hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar. And we are talking about link prediction. And as you can see over here, link prediction, it is nothing but just a kind of process to predict the relation between two given nodes, or predict the target nodes given the source node and the labeled edge. But the point is that it is again a very general sort of definition. And it is not always necessary that you want to do this only. Your aim might be slightly up and down, or the slight right or left. But in general, whenever you want to do the sort of link related analysis in a particular graph, then link prediction comes in picture. Now, when we are saying that this is the definition, then is there any related research which is going on? Yes, there are so many research papers which are available. So you can go to Google Scholar, then you can find some sort of related research papers. But if I tell you, then there are a number of research papers and the related different data sets which are available with respect to this particular work. So I would like to just simply tell you that there is a particular work where you can go and have some of the related analysis. Though I am not claiming that it is the one of the best paper, and it is also not a kind of survey paper, but still I am just giving you a work, and the title is The Inductive Representation Learning on Large Graphs. So in this particular work, you can go for the large graphs related analysis, some of the basic background theory you will find out. Additionally, the work talks about the different approaches where the different sorts of nodes in the graphs are represented, and the kind of training of the embeddings, etc. All sort of related details are discussed. Now, when they are discussing this particular work, then here they have presented algorithms, and that particular algorithms talks about the general sampling and the embedding features from the node's local neighborhood. And the authors also claim that their work outperforms the several existing works. So 2018 available on Archive. So here you can go and just find out this particular work if you are interested. Otherwise, if you are interested, then you can start with the basic survey paper, and then again you can go on to the practical related things. Because this particular work is not a sort of survey paper. This is a particular kind of practical work, and there they have given you different sorts of analysis as well as the results they have discussed. Okay, so if you are not interested directly jump onto, you can go for a particular kind of survey. But my point is that whenever you are going for a sort of analysis with respect to graphs, then again the first thing comes to mind: do we have the related data or not? If you don't have, For example, if you don't have the kind of data sets with respect to link prediction or the sort of related things, then you should have some of the related names where you can find that these are the kind of details which are related to link prediction. So let me tell you some of the data sets name. One is the FB15K, second is the Cora, and third is the UMLS, and fourth one is a SiteSeer. And there are a number of related research papers also which are available. I will make a separate video with respect to the in detailed description of all these things. There you can find. But with respect to the data sets, as I told you, there are a number of data sets. Additionally, what you can do, so you can do the dynamic link prediction, you can do the inductive link prediction, you can have the link prediction based on the calibration, etc. And when you talk about the implementation related details, then different works based on the TensorFlow implementation and the sort of PyTorch implementations are available. You can go to GitHub, and there you can find the number of available research papers. And a particular work that I want to tell you is a 2017 work where the modeling relational data with graph convolution networks is discussed. It is the TensorFlow implementation, and it is available in GitHub for your description related analysis. Additionally, if you want to do the collaborative filtering, then neural graph collaborative filtering, it's a kind of, again, TensorFlow work and available in 2019 work. So you can go and find some of the related details on GitHub. So these are some of the basic details with respect to your link prediction. Additionally, if you want to find some of the related tasks where you can go and find some sort of analysis, I would just like to recommend you that to go to Google Scholar, find some of the related papers. There you will find some of the comparatively good paper, because this paper might not be suitable for you as a beginner. So go for some of the basic survey papers, and then you'll find lots of details. Hopefully this particular video might be useful for you. If you didn't like anything, please do comment below and criticize. We'll surely try to improve the quality of the videos. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.